Hi guys, Bailey here with a quick video introducing Module 8. This was regarding SketchUp's sister program, Layout. So again, learning how to communicate, we have modeled in 3D, and now we are moving into a 2D annotation software. So you do not need to know SketchUp in order to know Layout. It's really similar to Word or any type of text type editor, with the addition of being able to add little leader lines and dimensions. So hopefully it should be something that you can pick up quickly, but it is an additional piece of software, which is why this week's assignment, we've actually given the model to you. So there's no modeling that's needed this week. You will only need to create the scenes in SketchUp that you will be pointing to in Layout. So make sure you spend time on this. This is an exercise from our textbook, SketchUp to Layout. There's also a video produced by the same author of the book. So while our assignment, we are going to create shop drawings for a table, the video tutorial references a house, but it is the exact same process. He will walk you through looking at different views to create in Layout and annotating them. There are also specific pages in the textbook that you can reference that illustrate, the composition of each page, and underneath that page it gives additional details. What style was the scene created? For example, is it an X-ray perspective of a nice zoomed in detail so we can see the screw, we can see the joinery of the table? So that scene needs to be created in SketchUp, hint, hint. Or is it just an overall bird's eye view of the table, just a perspective? That scene needs to be created, hint, hint. And then lastly, of course, we will have our orthographic drawings, our typical drawings, plan view and elevation view. So those scenes need to be created. So again, you have experience creating those scenes. So just reference the table to make sure you've actually checked off the list the particular style to use when creating those scenes. Next step, we'll be linking them in Layout. Now you're just looking at those scenes, but you're deciding, is this orthographic? Does it need a scale? Yes. If it is orthographic, it will have a set scale assigned. It will be 1/4 of an inch. It will be 1/2 an inch. So that's that table that you will need to reference in the assignments area on the SketchUp to Layout textbook for the table exercise. If they're perspective, don't worry about the scale. Again, that will just be up to you, kind of how you want to look and present the table on your cover page, for example. So should be fun. It's going to be new. Just remember that this is just practice. We will be applying this skill set to larger projects, but this value, the point value for this small assignment is less because this is just practice. But there are several pages to complete, so go ahead and get started early. Thank you, and good luck.